Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Cash App Virtual Card. First, take your phone and unlock it. Look for the Cash App icon on your screen and tap on it to open the app. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a menu with different icons. Tap on the card icon, which is usually located in the bottom menu. In the card section, look carefully at the options on the screen. You should see an option that says Get Free Cash Card. Tap on this option to continue. Now you will be taken to the card design screen. Here you can choose the finish of your cash card. You can select the color that you like. You also have the option to customize the card by adding symbols or drawings if you want. After you are done customizing your card, tap on the button to continue. Next, you will be asked to enter the address where the card will be shipped. Carefully type in your full and correct address to avoid any delivery issues. Once the address is entered, review all the details on the screen. You will be able to check the shipping information and see an estimated delivery date for your cash card. Thanks for watching.